Back with another video, and today we're working on our Mazda 3 2018. This is my daughter's car, and she just went to the dealer recently, got an oil change done, and they told her side marker was out, and in fact, it's not lighting up. So we're gonna get in there, I'm gonna show you what to do really quick, and we're gonna get started. But before I get in there, you're gonna wanna turn your wheels all the way to the left if you're working on the right side, and all the way to the right if you're working on the left side, so you get a little more clearance when you get in there underneath the wheel well. So I've already done that, so let's get started. So there are a couple of these little fasteners. There's one right up here too. There it is. You're gonna need to get those 4 out. And then there's also a 5th one I'm gonna recommend taking out right there. It's gonna just allow you to pull this out a little bit, and it's gonna give us a little more working space. So here's the bulb, and this has to go right up in there. Boom. Pops in right there. So if you're looking here from the tires here, plastic wheel well, and that is the guy right there. That's the culprit. There you have it. It's working. And to put them back together, you just plop, push in. There you go. So, fun fact, the bulb wasn't even bad. I got in there, I pulled it out, I just pushed on it, and guess what? It was working. But I got to make a video for all of you to hopefully save you 60 bucks for a light bulb that you can get in there and do in less than 10 minutes. All you need is a screwdriver, your keys to turn the wheel, and a little bit of patience to get up there. Pop it out, change the bulb, put it back in, and you're ready to go. So, if you like the video, subscribe. Most importantly, save your money. Do this super simple little thing. And also, always unplug your battery when you're working with your electrical. Take care, guys. Bye.